Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought of doing something. I know we as fashion designers, tailors, we sometimes get to use the wrong word because we are in the midst of people and we just want to use the language or what they understand. But as industry professionals, I believe we should be using the right language or industry words. So that way we can be correcting people and selling the right thing to them or telling them the right things than using what everyone knows and it is still the wrong thing as well. So this is why I'm starting off a series of how to pronounce or how to call the right terms for each sewing, anything fashion, anything sewing, how to use industry language, how to use the right industry language for these stores when we see them. So today on this series, let me just start with first one. Today on this series we are talking about this. So is this a whipping machine or a weaving machine? Which one, A or B? Well, if you say it's a weaving machine or a whipping machine, I'm happy to announce to you that you are wrong. It is neither a whipping machine nor a weaving machine. The right word for this machine is called a serger or an overlocking machine. Overlocker, serger, whichever one you use is correct, serger or overlocker. So henceforth, when you go out, don't say I want to weave my clothes or I want to whip my clothes. Say I want to serge my clothes or I want to overlock this clothes. So using these words will help spread the right word instead of us using the wrong ones and it keeps growing or it keeps spreading fast. They say now bad news, bad stuff or wrong things spread fast. So let's try and spread the good things as well. So if you find this helpful, do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notification, leave a comment below, let me know if you find this helpful. So I will be coming again with the next one. You never can tell what it is until I come your way again. Bye.